just been having a look at the finished product on Broadway from the Towns and Villages Fund, and see the area's been improved with the new walling and the much easier steps for people to access the area, and also ramps at the other side. The previous steps are very steep and narrow. There's also been quite a bit of drainage work done, which was discovered during the course of the construction.
While we were consulting with the residents and businesses here, they also told us they'd like some CCTV, so we were able to add to that through our ward budget.